So a member of our community sent me this question that says, Maria picked a 4-digit number. Number one, the digits in the hundreds place is greater than the digits in the tens. The thousands digit is 3 less than the hundredths digits. The sum of the digits is 22. The ones digit is 7. What number did Maria pick? Now, like every word problem, right? The first thing is to first read the question, understand it, then identify the unknowns. So solution, right? So she picked one number, but that number is a 4-digit number. So first we know that the digits are between 0 to 9, since it's one single number that is made up of 4-digit number. Now every number is made up of 4 digits from 0 to 9. Now, and since it picked 4 digits, right, which are unknown, so we can say let the 4 digits be A, B, C, and D, right? So let's begin to write out each conditions. Now, if we have A, B, C, and D, this will be the number in the unit position or the ones position. This will be the number in the tens position. This will be the number in the hundreds position, and this is thousands. Now, we're told that the digits in the hundreds place is greater than the digits in the tens place. So B is the number in the hundreds place, which means B is greater than C, which is in the tens place. So this is first condition that these digits must meet up. B is greater than C. Now we're told that the thousands digit is 3 less than the hundreds digits. So A, right, is 3 less than B, which means we take away 3 from B, which is B minus 3. Now, and then the sum of the digits is 22. That is A plus B plus C plus D is equal 22. And then we're told finally that the ones digit is 7. That is D. So we know that D is equal 7. Now let's write out our complete equation. A is B minus 3. So instead of A, we put B minus 3, right? Now plus B plus C plus D is 7. So we write 7 equals 22. Now B plus B is 2B plus C minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4 equals 22. 4 can still go to the other side, right? Which means we have to subtract 4 from both sides. So that means we have 2B plus C left on the left hand side equals 22 minus 4 on the right hand side. So that 2B plus C will equal 18. Now we can make C subject of the formula, right? More like we finding C. So that C will equal 18. 2B crosses to the other side becomes minus 2B. Now, at this point, we can decide to find the value for C. We can decide to assume any value for B. Noting that, of course, our values will be between 0 to 9. Now, let's assume B is equal 0. It means that our C will equal 18 minus 2, 0, which is equal 18. Because 2 times 0 is 0. 18 minus 0 is 18. Now, B is 0. C is 18. We're told that B is greater than C. But clearly, B is less than C because 0 is less than 18. So, B cannot be 0. C cannot be 18. So, we move further, right? And say, assume now B is equal 1. So, it means C is equal 18 minus 2, 1. which is equal 16. Because 2 times 1 is 2, and 18 minus 2 is 16. B is less than C. It means it did not meet condition 1, so B cannot be 1. Now, we also assume B equals 2. We have C is equal 18 minus 2 into bracket 2, which is equal 14. Because 2 times 2 is 4. 18 minus 4 is 14. B is still less than C, so B cannot be 2, C cannot be 14. Let's assume B equals 3. We have C equals 18 minus 2, 3, which is equal 12. Because 2 times 3 is 6, 18 minus 6 is 12. B is less than C, it can be. So let's assume B equals 4. C is equal 18 minus 2, 4, which is equal 10. B is less than C, so B cannot be 4, and C cannot be 10. Now, let's assume B is equal 5. We say C is equal 18 minus 2, 5, right? Which is equal 8. B is still less than C. So B cannot be 5, C cannot be 8. Now, let's assume B is equal 6. C is equal 18 minus 2, 6. And this gives us 6. At this point, B is equal C, which is not the condition. Our condition is that B is greater than C. So B cannot be equal C. So B cannot be 6, and C cannot be 6. Now, let's assume B is equal 7. Then our C will equal 18 minus 2, 7. And that will give us 4. Because 2 times 7 is 14. And 18 minus 14 is 4. Clearly, B is greater than C because 7 is greater than 4. So first condition met. We'll see have other conditions because we were told that the sum of A plus B plus C and plus D must equal 22. Now, since we say B is 7, it means numbers from 7, digits 7, 8, and 9 can be B. So we need to confirm if we add all these digits together, if it will equal 22, which of them? So let's assume B is 7 now, right? We know that A is B minus 3, which is equal 4. That's B is 7. 7 minus 3 is equal 4. So which means we have, that's us assuming B to be 7 now, right? If we assume B to be 7, then from B, C will be 4, and then A will also be 4. Now, if A is 4, we have 4 plus B is 7, assumedly, plus C is 4, and then we already know from the question that D is also 7. Now, let's confirm if this is true. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. And then the 3 plus 7 is 22. So that means that A is equal 4, B is equal 7, C is equal 4, and then D is equal 7. Now remember, these are 4 digits that formed one single number. So it means that the number will be 4747, which is 4,747. Now, if this is your first time of coming across my page, please do well to subscribe and click on the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever we drop videos like this. We drop videos like this every day of every week. See you in the next class. Bye for now.